Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. What you're looking at right here are sumac berries, and these guys are actually a really good source of vitamin C. And living in the upper Great Lakes in the wintertime, it's kind of hard to find naturally occurring plants that have vitamins in it and nutrients that your body needs. But these guys right here can be dried and can be made into a tea that's actually really nutritious. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull some of these guys down, cut them off, and we're going to take these home and we're going to dry these. And I'm going to show you guys how to make sumac tea. And here's my harvested sumac berries. I'm going to take these guys home, we're going to dry them out. You know, these are kind of a good thing to know about if you can't get vitamins, especially in the wintertime when fresh produce and stuff isn't available, especially in a post-event world where you might not be able to have access to foods high in vitamin C. This is kind of a local source of vitamin C. So just keep this in mind for your preps, that sumac berries can be used to supplement certain vitamins. And here's the sumac berries in the dehydrator. We're going to leave these in overnight on the lowest setting. I don't want the heat to destroy the nutrients in these guys, but my goal is to get a couple of pint cans of these dried sumac berries to put up for the winter. Anyway, I'm going to come back in the morning, kind of show you what these guys look like dried, and then we're going to make some sumac tea. And here's my first batch of dried sumac berries, and these guys right here is what I'm going to make the tea with. And that's how you make sumac tea. This is my sumac tea right here with a little raw honey in it. Really high in vitamin C. It's really good for you. Just kind of wanted to bring up sumac as a potential source for vitamin C out in the wild if you ever run into that situation where you might need it. Remember, don't drink sumac tea if you're allergic to it. I'm also going to put a link in the description for MSU, Michigan State University's write-up on sumac and sumac tea. It's a really short, really informative article. You guys might get a little information out of that as well. But anyways, I'm Modern Refugee. I appreciate all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys get a little information, a little entertainment from my videos. I'm going to enjoy my tea now, and you guys have a great night.